This is KC Classic Cars with a absolutely immaculate 2000 Chevy Corvette convertible 6-speed. This car has 58,000 original miles, and you would swear it has 5,800 miles if you looked at it in person. It has got beautiful body and paint, no damage ever. It has brand new Corvette Z06 wheels with Bridgestone Potenza tires in excellent condition. The car has many nice upgrades, including a C6 short shifter from a C6 Corvette, so you get the better shifting version. It's got a Blackwing air intake, Donaldson Blackwing air intake. It's a stock LS1. Brand new alternator on it, newer compressor. It has a newer top. It has brand new high-end leather seats that replace the old cracked leather with a Corvette embroidery logo in a couple of places. This is also got all new bladders and lines for the seats, so this was all done right. It's got Lloyd's logo floor mats that are absolutely high quality. Other upgrades include a Bluetooth in a unit that is played through the 12-disc CD changer in the trunk. The trunk is clean and immaculate. I just closed it. The power antenna still works. It's got an awesome Billy Boat exhaust, which gives it that really nice mellow cackle without being obnoxious. The Arkansas plate is just because it matches the colors of the car. The car is actually in Missouri. But this car is in absolutely beautiful condition inside and out, and the flip-up headlights work, all of the lights work. I just, like I said, replaced the alternator. That's brand new. And the windshield is in excellent condition. Everything works, and this car is ready to show or drive, enjoy. And I will close everything up and give you a once around. You can see even the inside of the door jambs are all nice and polished. This car is in beautiful condition. It's really difficult to find a more fun car, a cleaner car with a wonderful look, sound, and ability to enjoy it for under 25 grand than this car, I'll tell you that. Absolutely gorgeous. So, if interested, call KC Classic Cars, 913-461-4890. I'm on Facebook at KC Classic Cars, and give me a call. I'll be glad to answer any questions for you. I'll see you soon.